Hey guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome if you're new here.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
My name is Deepika and I'm a Viscom student studying at Madras Christian College, Chennai. So today's video is about top 10 engineering colleges in Tamil Nadu. So I have ranked these colleges by NIRF ranking of engineering 2020 and this list can be vary from individual to individual. So without wasting time, let's just start the video. So coming in at number 10, we have Kalsalingam Academy of Research and Education. Kalsalingam Academy of Research and Education is located in Krishnankoil, Tamil Nadu. Is a private deemed to be university. The NIRF ranking of Kalsalingam Academy of Research and Education in Engineering is 60 and NIRF score is 43.71. Kalsalingam Academy of Research and Education was established in 1984. The college campus is spread across 320 acres. The highest salary package offered in Kalsalingam Academy of Research and Education is 12 lakhs per annum and the average salary package is 3.5 lakhs per annum. Coming in at 9, we have Satyabhama Institute of Science and Technology, which is also known as Satyabhama University. Satyabhama Institute of Science and Technology, also known as Satyabhama University, is a private deemed to be university situated at Chennai. Satyabhama ranked 51 by NIRF ranking of engineering 2020 and NIRF score is 46.77. The university was established in 1987 and the university is spread across 400 acres. The highest salary package of Satyabhama University is 41 lakhs per annum and average salary package is 3.5 to 4 lakhs per annum. Coming in at number 8, we have PSG College of Technology. PSG College of Technology is an autonomous government-aided private engineering college in Coimbatore. It is affiliated to Anna University. NIRF rank of PSG College is 49 and NIRF score is 47.21. PSG College was established in 1951. The highest salary package offered by the college is 40 lakhs per annum and average salary package offered by the college is 4.5 lakhs per annum. Coming in at number 7, we have SSN College of Engineering. SSN College of Engineering, Sri Shiva Subramanian Nadar College, located in Chennai. It is an autonomous college affiliated with Anna University. NIRF rank of SSN is 44 and NIRF score is 49.26. SSN College was established in 1996. The campus is spread across 250 acres. The highest salary package offered by the college is 64 lakhs per annum and average salary package is 6.19 lakhs per annum. Coming in at number 6, we have SRM Institute of Science and Technology, which is also known as SRM University. SRM Institute of Science and Technology, also known as SRM University, is a private university in Chennai. NIRF rank of SRM is 41 and NIRF score is 50.95. SRM University was established in 1985 and the college campus is spread across 250 acres. The highest salary package offered by SRM 42 lakhs per annum and average salary package is 3.5 lakhs to 5.5 lakhs per annum. Coming in at number 5, we have Shastra Deemed University. is a private university located in Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu, and NIRF rank 2020 is 37 and NIRF score is 51.79. Shastra University was established in 1984 and the campus is spread across 168 acres. The highest package offered by the university is 28.5 lakhs per annum and the average package is 9.3 lakhs per annum. Coming in at number 4, we have Vellore Institute of Technology, which is also known as VIT Vellore. Vellore Institute of Technology is a private deemed university located in Vellore. VIT Vellore was established in 1984 and the campus is spread across 372 acres. Highest package offered by VIT Vellore is 44 lakhs per annum and the average salary package offered is 7 lakhs per annum to 8 lakhs per annum. Coming in at number 3, we have Anna University. Anna University is a public state university located in Chennai. The NIRF rank of Anna University is 14 and NIRF score is 59.89. Anna University was established in 1978 and the campus is spread across 185 acres. The highest package offered by Anna University for engineering is 40 lakhs per annum and average package of Anna University is 8 lakhs per annum to 9 lakhs per annum. Coming in at number 2, we have National Institute of Technology, NIT Trichy. National Institute of Technology Trichy or NIT Trichy is a public technical and research institute near the city of Tiruchirappalli or Trichy in Tamil Nadu. The NIRF rank of NIT Trichy is 9 and NIRF score is 74.49. NIT Trichy was established in 1964 and the campus is spread across 800 acres. The highest salary package offered by NIT Trichy is 42 lakhs per annum. The average salary package offered by NIT Trichy is 9 lakhs per annum to 10 lakhs per annum. So coming in at number 1, we have Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Madras. Indian Institute of Technology Madras, IIT Madras, is a public technical and research institute located in Chennai. The NIRF rank of IIT Madras is 1 and NIRF score is 89.93. IIT Madras was established in 1959 and the campus is spread across 620 acres. The highest salary package offered by IIT Madras is 1.33 crores and the average salary package is 16.1 lakhs per annum. So these are the top 10 engineering colleges in Tamil Nadu. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. And thank you so much guys for watching and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.